the last wagon is pulling in. We're about ready to get underway. And they're off. They're off. And we got the wagons around their top rail. They're up right, trying to stay right with them. We got the purple bees, the green and the white jay, and the blue elk coming around there. We got the purple bee on the side. We got the white jay. We got the blue elk 1, 2, 3. Right next to it, we got the white bee. I don't know. We got the purple bee on the right side. We got the blue elk on the side. The green elk must be coming there. Here's the purple bee on there tonight, coming to lead. Now the green elk moving up on the outside of the blue elk. We got the purple bee, the green elk, the blue elk, and the white jay, and the white jay is slowing up for some reason. I'm not sure what it is. Now we got the green elk just flying on the outside of the purple bee. I'm not sure what's going on there. I taught my daughter how to drive a team, I guess. In the turn number 3 and 4 they go. We got the green elk on the outside, the purple bee on the inside, followed by the blue elk. Turn number 4, down the stretch they come. It's not over till the finish line. We got the green elk on the outside, the purple bee on the inside, followed by the blue elk. As they come towards the